Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in this session, we're going to learn about a very unique problem that has been asked in the WIPRO for the role of data analytics. And the problem statement is very simple one. We need to find out those records which are duplicates and give a rank to those records. So before diving into the problem, I request you all kindly execute the SQL script in your SSMS so that we both can solve this problem parallelly. Here you're having a table name is flight raw which contains one column and have the name of the airlines like Indigo, Jet Airways, Vistara and so on. So what is the problem statement? We need to find out the duplicate records and we need to assign a rank to them. So this is the output that we need. Like take the scenario of Indigo. The Indigo is in the category of duplicate records and we need to assign a rank to them. Like the rank is 1 here. For the cases where the records are not duplicate, we don't have to assign anything, like it will go under the category of null. Take the scenario of SpiceJet. SpiceJet is also duplicate records, so we are assigning a rank to them. And last, United Airlines. It also contains a duplicate records, so we are assigning a rank 3 to them. So in short, we can say that we need to find out the duplicate records and need to assign rank to them. And those records which are not duplicates, we need to assign null to them. Before solving this question, I request you all kindly try to solve by yourself. Please refer to my older videos. What is rank, dense rank and row number? How can we use joins? How can you find out duplicate records? Just try to solve by yourself. Let's start to solve this problem. Here we are having a table name is flight raw which contains one row, one column only. Name as airline's name. As per the problem statement, first of all, we need to find out duplicate records. How can we find out duplicate records in SQL? If we can just do a group by on the basis of this column and find out those records which have count more than 1, then easily we can find out duplicate records. So how can we do this? If we just do group by on the basis of airline's name and just do having count is greater than 1. So what we are doing here, we are just referencing to the table name is flight raw and we are just doing group by on the base of the flight name means airline's name, and we are just filtering the data with the use of having clause for the count is greater than 1. So there are 3 airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet and United Airlines. They are under the category of duplicate records. Okay, so this is the records which are duplicates and we need to consume it once more. So how can we do this? We can create a CT, a temporary table or a subquery. So in my earlier videos I have told you about CT, but now in this video we are just going to create a temporary table. So select star and we need to dump this data into a table name as temp A. Let's save this data in this table and execute it. So we are getting an error. The table is already present. So just change this name as temp B and just do a select query for this table name is temp B. Select star from temp B. Let's execute this and see what data we are having. Yep, we are having 3 records and those 3 records are duplicate one. Correct? Now what we have to do? We have to do assign a rank to them, the records which are duplicates. So how can we do this? If we can just use directly the concept of rank over, we don't need any partition. So I'm directly going to use order by airlines name. Let's execute this. Yep, now we're having rank 1, 2 and 3 and so on. Now we have assigned rank to those flights or those airlines names which are duplicates. Now we need to combine this record with the initial ones, means with the table flight raw. How can we do this? If we can create a CT with CTS and just reuse this table once more, like select star from CT, and let's execute this. So now we're having records which are duplicates and we've assigned their rank. But if we want records from the raw table also, like flight raw table, then we need to apply a join. So here we are going to apply left join. So what is left join? Let's do left join. What's the name of the table? The table is CT, and what is the primary table? This one. Okay, and just give this name as T1 and this as T2 on the condition of T1 dot airlines names equals to T2 dot airlines name. So what we are doing here is this: we are applying left join. So what does left join do? It will take all of this record from primary table like table 1, here it is T1, and the matching records from table T1 and T2. Let's execute this and see the output. So now we are having records, all the records which are present in table T1 and the matching records from table T1 and T2. As you can see there, the Jet Airlines or Jet Airways and Vistaras does not contain any duplicate records. Therefore, we are having a null for them. And the records like Indigo, SpiceJet, and United Airlines, which are duplicates, we are having records for that. But we need some modification. As you have seen above the output, we need to create a column name is duplicate and the name is REP1. So what we want all of these records from table T1 plus, okay, I have used it wrong place. We have to use it here, T1 dot star, and here we have to use select star this, okay. And what we want a name as REP plus, and we want rank, and rank is from table T2. Let's execute this and see the output, what we will get. We are getting an error. What is the error? As you can see, it is string type, but this is a numeric value, so we need to change it. So for changing a data type, we can use cast this t2.rn as nvarchar assigned to or anything that you want, and let's execute this. Yep, now we're getting rep1, rep2, and rep3, but we need to give the column name also. What we will give? We will give this name as duplicate, and let's execute once more. Yep, so this is the result that is needed. So we have created a column name as duplicate on the basis of the records which are duplicate, like for the scenario of Indigo, SpiceJet, and United Airlines. But the records which are not duplicate, we have passed the value as null. So what we have learned from this video? We have learned how can you find out a duplicate records in a table with the help of group by and having clause. We have learned how can we create a temporary table. We have learned how can we create a CT, and how can we just create a one more column and pass some values, like here you have passed REP plus their rank. So this is all about a problem statement. I request you all, if you have understand this problem, then solve it once more. And if my video is more helpful to you, then please like, share, and subscribe among your friends. Thank you everyone for watching my content. Have a great day ahead.